Me and my bitch took a little trip down to the garden. Took a little dip, oh no. Apple juice falling from my lips. Took a little sip, oh. Took a little sip, oh.
I've been out the margin for so long cause I've been paper chasing. Let any person in my way, I'll choke 'em with my laces. Go make you get replacements. Let the homies run a train on you like you have braces. I'm disrespectful when you diss me, don't get disrespected. Don't expect calm and collective, I calm and collect your tension. You supposed to be my family, you misconception. Take my anger out on paper, I should go and spend it. You seen the bottom of the rock, my struggles built resentment. Gotta watch for serpents, cut your grass for reassurance. Watch them slide like curtains, you might lose a little, but it's best to keep the real, break the ones that's brittle. Watch them go sweet like a skittle, I speak a riddle, it's just as simple. I'm on your head like a fucking pimple. My homie caught a murder case and I ain't tapped in. I know his mom's tears drizzle, I can't imagine visuals. That's all you need to be a man when you live by the pistol. Smoke the pain away, but when they come down, they still hit you. So you look for deeper drugs, they hit harder than usual. My days are longer from my lack of sleep. I hated days when I was sleeping on the street. I bleed from pain, beautiful struggles, can I take a dance? I grew up with fiends, the same ones that made me a man. I'm going all out while I can't say boy, I would understand when I see blood all in my hand, that kid just need a chance.